We are going to do French roping. So I'll be using my advanced gap where yellow represents the top of the head, orange, red, and pink on the sides will represent top of the ear level, and below the ear. For roping, typically what you do is you have two strands and you twist the strand to the right and you cross it over to the left. Individually, you twist the strand to the right and you cross it over to the left. For French roping, we will not be doing any twisting. No twisting. What we will do though is crisscross from right to left and at the same time pick up hair from the sides. So let's get started. I'm going to crisscross from right to left. From here, I'm going to grab hair from the right and I'm going to grab hair from the left. Everything on the right will stay to the right and join the right hand strand. Everything from the left will stay to the left and join the left hand strand. Then we'll cross them. So I'm going to grab orange from the right and it's going to stay to the right with yellow. And I'm going to grab orange from the left and it's going to stay to the left with yellow. Now, right yellow, right orange will become one. Left yellow and left orange will become one. Now we're going to crisscross. We are going to grab the right hand side and it's going to go above the left hand side, crisscrossing them. From here we have a new right and we have our new left. Right red will stay to the right. Left red will stay to its left. These three will become one and these three will become one. The one on the right is going to go travel above to crisscross to the other side. Now we have our new left and we have our new right. We're going to grab pink from the right. Right pink stays to the right and we are going to grab pink from the left. Left pink will stay to the left. These four on the right hand side are one. These four on the left hand side are one. The one on the right is going to travel above the one on the left, crisscrossing. And this is how you French rope. There are no more hair to pick up. So now we're going to finish the French roping by doing simple roping. We're going to take the right hand strand, twist it to the right, and then cross it over to the left. The new right hand strand, twist it to the right, cross it over to the left, and you continue this until you run out of hair. Twist it to the right, cross it over to the left, right hand strand, twist it to the right, cross it over to the left. And this is how you do French roping. Let's go ahead and do this on the mannequin head. On the mannequin head, yellow is your top section. Orange will be above the ear, red will be at ear level, and pink is below the ear. I went ahead and I divided the top section into two to get my French roping started. I am going to cross over red over left, and from here we're going to pick up the sides. The right hand side is going to stay to the right, picking up orange or the hair above the ear. This stays to the right. And now I got to prep my left hand side, picking up hair above the ear. And this is going to stay to my left. Right stays to the right, left stays to the left. This becomes one, this becomes one, and we're going to take the right hand side and cross it over to the left. Now we have our new right and our new left. I'm going to pick up hair from the right at ear level to join the right hand side. I'm going to grab hair from the left at ear level to join the left hand side. There we go. All the hair to the right will be one, all the hair to the left will be one, and we're going to take the right section and we're going to cross it over to the left. Now we have our new right and we have our new left. We're going to grab hair below the ear or the pink section to join the right hand side. And we're going to grab hair from the left hand side, the pink section, to stay to the left. Here's our two sections. All of this will be one, All of the left will be 1, and we're going to take the right hand side and we're going to cross it over to the left. From here, there's no more hair to pick up. So we're going to go ahead and finish the French roping by doing simple roping. The strand to the right, we're going to twist it to the right, bring it over to the left hand side. This new strand to the right, we're going to twist it to the right, bring it over to the left hand side. And you do this until you run out of hair. And this is how you do French roping.